Hey everybody, Jennifer Crane, Mosaic Insurance over here in Linwood. Just wanted to touch base with you on a subject today that has been coming up so much for me in conversations with my clients, and that is earthquake insurance. Most people are completely unaware that their home insurance policy does not cover earthquake. Damage resulting of an earthquake, fires that happen after an earthquake, typically about 72 hours after there's an earthquake. If there's a fire, wouldn't be covered on your homeowner's policy. There's no coverage for your belongings, for you to go stay somewhere else. It is simply not covered on a homeowner's policy unless A, you add an endorsement, or B, what we like to do as a broker here at Mosaic is offer you a separate policy through one of our carriers, either Arrowhead or Giovera. Those are the two carriers that we typically use for our earthquake insurance, and those are separate policies from your homeowners, and those offer coverage as well as on homeowners policies. You can add the endorsement, but we would recommend that you use any number of our separate earthquake companies. Some of the reasons that we use a separate company are because if a claim was filed for your earthquake, it is not going to be reflected in your homeowner's claim loss history. It's not going to affect your home insurance rates if you have to utilize the earthquake insurance. The other reason why we use them is premiums seem to be a little bit better. Forego the warning. Earthquake insurance is it's a spendy coverage. I'm not going to say it's ridiculously expensive or equivalent to a homeowner's policy, but it is a pricier coverage. But we are high risk here in Washington, in the Pacific Northwest, to have an earthquake, and it wouldn't be covered on your homeowner's policy. Another reason that we use either Giovera or Arrowhead is that their deductible options are much better. Most of the time with insurance offered through a carrier, earthquake coverage, they have maybe two deductible options, 15, 20%. Pretty high deductibles when we're talking about earthquake losses, and whether that is, your personal property or home. 15% on a $500,000 home is substantial. Our separate earthquake carriers have deductibles as low as 2.5%, which is much more obtainable when writing an earthquake policy, that you'll be able to afford and manage the deductible. We would love to kind of help you out, informing you, answering any questions that you have, running these earthquake quotes, and really seeing what we can do to make sure you're covered in all aspects. Like I said, earthquake is one of the higher risk losses here in Washington state, whether it's an earthquake, just a general earthquake, or a volcanic eruption that causes an earthquake, or anything that could happen at the end after an earthquake happens for a specified number of hours. It just wouldn't be covered on your homeowner's policy. We never want to see our clients in that position where they don't have coverage. So feel free to give us a call. I'm happy to help you out, happy to, like I said, answer your questions, and really make sure that you're informed and that you at least know what your options are. Thank you.